Okay guys, so I've been waiting all day, but it finally came. I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max and we're gonna get the unboxing going right now. What's up YouTube? This is Jason here with RedBeeLabs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel and enjoy unboxings and tech reviews, then do me a favor and drop a like on this video. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any new videos I release. Okay, as I said before, I have got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is the unboxing. Okay, so, I love how they just have the little tab for you. Pull it down, super easy, super easy. All right. Gosh, this box is so thin. I mean, it's super, super thin. Like, let me get one of my other boxes. And we'll compare it to these. So, look at this box and look at this box. I mean, super, super thin. I mean, that's because they left out a few things, but we'll talk about that. So, let me open her up. Very nice. Very nice. So, I got Pacific Blue. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna put this over here, put this right here. Nothing in here, that's just to protect it. So this is nothing, we'll put you over here. You get a little packet, okay. And then here's a SIM ejection tool. You get your documentation and you get a Apple sticker. So yay, I'm super excited. You do get a USB-C to Lightning, so that's cool. And that's it. You do not get the wall adapter or the headphones. So put this over here. Now the star of the show, Oh, that Pacific Blue. Look at this, man. Let me get it all close. Wasn't as wonderful as I would have thought. But look at this super thin line. People kept saying it was big, but I got bigger hands, but I mean, it's not too big compared to my 10R. It's not too big. Oh, the cameras! I can't wait to just use this phone. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and turn her on. Oh, nice little bit of battery life in there. So I'm gonna place this here. Oh man, I've been waiting all day. I mean, about 3:30 it came, so it wasn't horrible, but I just thought it would come a little earlier so I could, do it a little quicker. All right, we're gonna go English, of course, United States. I'm gonna go ahead and put my password in. All right. Now we're good to go. Take a second to activate. Go ahead and continue. Continue. Let me set the Face ID up really quick. Logged into iCloud. Now I'm waiting for it to pop up and show me my backup so I can get it going. I used to do the manual way because I was just used to it instead of getting my old phone and holding it up against it and doing all that, it's a lot easier, but when you're just used to one way. All right, so today, of course, and then continue. We'll set it up later in Wallet. That's cool. It's cool. It's not even come with the latest version. Okay, so I'm going to download that, guys, and we'll fast forward right through this. All right, we are up, back. All right, so yes. As you can see, it's getting my apps back on here and all goodness. Good. Okay. So as you can see, it's restoring all my apps and getting all my stuff ready. Man, again, I just cannot with how thin this is. That and that Pacific Blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a bunch of videos. I want to get some on the cameras. Just probably do like a 24-hour about just everything I'm going through with it. I have some cases coming. They're late. I have my MagSafe coming. It's late. But I'm going to have a bunch of different videos for you guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, that's it for the unboxing. If you found value in this video, if you could drop a like on this video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I release. Also, follow me on social media. I drop a lot of stuff on there and some behind the scenes stuff that I think you'd enjoy. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.